Ladies and gentlemen, what a special occasion. Thank you for giving me this wonderful chance to talk about my oath. I can stand my poor English. I can stand my lack of confidence. I can stand my years of wasted time. I want to improve my situation. I want to change my life. I don't want to let my parents down. I don't ever want to let my country down. Most importantly, I don't want to let myself down. I want to speak perfect English. I want to understand all kinds of accents. I want to write beautiful articles. I want to read thousands of books. I want to be truly bilingual. I want to be an international success. Thank you for watching my video.